Alright guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. We're doing something different, completely different today. So, you all know that we like to do dehydrating videos. You know, we put them out all the time, we try and top ourselves all the time. But now, we're doing a full-blown YouTube collaboration on dehydrating. Now first I want to thank Mark from Spiguyver Backpacking for setting this all up. If you don't know, it is extremely hard to wrangle a bunch of backpacking YouTubers into doing any one thing, let alone going on a trip, but making time to do dehydrated videos and send them and do the way we're going to do this. So thank you, Mark, for taking care of that. We know we were a pain in the butt. But here's how this works. You're going to have a bunch of channels. I'm going to have all their names and the links to their channels in the description. And I'll probably post it up here somewhere. But basically, each of us are going to make 2 servings of something and send it off to 2 other people. Then when we get theirs, we're going to try theirs on camera. Alright? Like, for us, we're going to do this recipe, and we're going to be sending this out to Josh Ebersole and Lead Me Outdoors. Both those channels are going to get this stuff, and they're going to try it. And they can tell us you're great or you suck, whatever, and we'll have fun with it. Whatever they think. So we'll have some fun with it. I think this is going to be a really good time. You need to check out every video in this series because everybody's going to step it up here. And we had to step it up because this is not going to be like your let's throw some Cheetos and some chicken in there and we're good. No, we're going full tilt here because I know these people are going to come with some awesome, awesome dehydrated recipes. So, that said, we sat down, we grinded, we thought about it, and we decided we're doing a full-blown Thanksgiving dinner. All in one pot. We're going to dehydrate everything you need to have a full, traditional Thanksgiving Day meal. So that starts out with turkey. So we got 1 pound of turkey here. Already cooked. You can run it through the processor, but we bought it in the tube, because that's the cheapest way. Bought 1 pound. And after I cooked it in the slow cooker, it basically just broke up by hand. I didn't have to grind it up. But if you want to grind it farther, that's okay. Now, that cost
$2.50.
Okay, and the next step is you got to have gravy. All right? So we got 2 packets of turkey gravy. And that costs, my dear?
80 cents.
All right? We have 2 boxes because everybody loves stuffing. So we got 2 boxes of great value stuffing. That costs what, baby?
70 cents a piece, so $1.40.
That's right. And we got 1 box of instant mashed potatoes, great value brand, cheap stuff, and that costs
$1. So
which brings down, this is a 4 serving setup. Yes, it's going to be huge servings, but 4 servings comes to a total of how much per serving?
$1.42 a serving.
Thanksgiving Day dinner for $1.42. How can you beat that?
And you can have it out in the woods.
That's right.
On the trail.
So if you're going to get away with trying to escape from Thanksgiving dinner from your family and run to the woods to go backpacking because no other time you can get off work, this is great to take with you.
Take your dinner with you.
That's right. And then you can come back and eat their leftovers. Now, let's get started here. The only thing we've got dehydrated in this whole mess is the turkey. So we take the turkey, we put parchment paper down on our rack, and we're not going to be able to show it to you because I will dump it everywhere if I try, but that's what it looks like. I'm going to make a giant mess, and my wife's going to take it away from me because I make giant messes. Okay? Now, you do want to drain that. It's important to drain your meat as much as possible. Get the moisture off because it's less dehydrating time. Okay? Thank you, my beautiful dear. Now I can tell you, since we're just dehydrating 1 pound, she's going to be able to spread it out pretty thin. And it's going to dehydrate fast. I would guess this is going to take 6 hours. But we'll just have to wait and see. You know what I mean? Every dehydrator is different. It also can account, and I've started to learn this more, the humidity of your home. A lot of people have to put these, you know, out in the garage or somewhere else, especially if you're doing something that's got like hot sauce in it, because it'll make, or pickles, you know, when we dehydrate our pickles, it'll just burn your eyes. So the humidity has control, and the time of year has control in how fast this works. Not to mention your type, the heating level it's on, and all that. So we're going to get this going here, and we'll get back with you, get it all set up. Obviously, we have 4 servings. 2 have got to get mailed, so guess what? We're going to be eating 1. Another one's going to be coming with me on the Foothills Trail because you get none. And that's how it's going to be. And we will be back in probably... Alright, just like that, we're back. Next day. Took about 5.5 hours to dehydrate our turkey. So, here's where you can kind of do it however you want to do it. First thing I'm going to say is we used per bag a 1/2 cup of our mashed potatoes. We used 1/2 bag of our stuffing because I really like stuffing. 1/2 packet of our turkey gravy. Alright, so 1/2 packet, 1/2 box, 1/2 cup. Too many mashed potatoes would just kill this whole thing. So go light on that if anything. I went kind of heavy on my stuffing. That's because I like my stuffing. And then we dehydrated a pound of turkey. So you put a quarter pound of turkey in each bag. By combining all this, you're going to have a very large meal. You need to understand that. But it's Thanksgiving. That's what we do at Thanksgiving. We eat big meals. Technically, it's about perfect for 2 people. When rehydrating, it takes about 20 minutes. And you need to use 2 full cups of water if you follow our instructions here. But if you alternate out mashed potatoes for, you know, chicken stuffing or flavored stuffing, you're still going to have the same because you're going to need the same amount of water. So 2 cups for us comes out perfect. Now, I'd like to take this moment to tell you we're upgrading our system though. We actually picked up a new, because our old one broke, Ziploc vacuum sealer. And this is what your product looks like finished. This one didn't get vacuum sealed down. I just sealed it because we're going to be using this the next day or 2. But I will be vacuum sealing the ones I'm mailing out to the other YouTubers. But we're just stepping up our game because most of our gripper zippers from like Glad and all those brands, we're having problems with them popping. They're not holding real good. The regular double pleated, double zipper regular freezer bags, which is what you really want to rehydrate in, are becoming extremely expensive. The ones from like Ziploc are like $6 for a 20 pack of quart size. For that, you might as well go buy the rolls and make your bags and use your freezer. Whereas in backpacking, space can be you know, of the most importance. So compressing these down in these bags is going to save us space. It's going to come out about the same on weight, but actually, depending upon where you buy your rolls of bags, it can actually be cheaper than buying the bags. And these bags are a little heavier duty. They're going to be able to take more of a beating. So, now that we've got it all back together here, let's show you the final product. Look at that, guys. So, inside here, it's almost like, for eating it, the best way I can explain it is like having a turkey ground up sausage mixed into it. And then you've got the thickening agent of the potatoes. Like I said, I went kind of heavy on the stuffing because I like stuffing. And the gravy just adds another layer of flavor to the whole thing. So, that's excellent. Very heavy on the stuffing the way I like it. But you can definitely taste that all that turkey has rehydrated and is soft. That's really good. That's really good. Reminds me of a kid heaping my plate up with stuffing. I might have gotten in trouble for that a few times. But if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you check out the other YouTubers that are involved in this collaboration because every one of them's coming with something strong and something good. And make sure you go check it out when the other guys try this and see if they say it sucks or if they say it's awesome or if they say it's just eh. Because if they don't like stuffing, yeah, they're probably going to say it sucks. But until next time, I'm Tony, and you know where to come when you want the best dehydrated food.